Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom website shortcut icon on your home screen in OUKITEL C33. And to do this, I would suggest to open Google Chrome, as this feature might not be available for any other browser. So let's open it and then find whichever website you want to add as a shortcut. And when you have it opened, you will need to click on three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and here you will find Add to Home Screen. Now you can name your icon however you like, and when it's ready, click on Add to Home Screen, and then go back. And here in the last empty space available on the home screen, you'll see the icon. You can click on it to instantly pop open this website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.